Here, my lord, petitioner was appointed in the first SLST 2016-11-12. He was in the first panel, and my lord, there has
SLST
2016-11-12. I was in the first panel, my lord. There has been no rank jumping. Thereafter, my lord, as Lordship knows, my lord, it was cancelled. But there was a protection given by the Supreme Court in the 17th of April order. The Lordship knows that, my lord, I am not repeating it. But the list which was sent by the district inspector of schools, that these are the persons we will join because these are the persons are not specifically found to be tainted. Well, my name was not there. Then, my lord, since I have the appointment letter within expiry, I have in the panel. So after expiry of panel and out of panel or rank jumping, I cannot be within that. So at the most, I can be within that I have manipulated VEMA. And the Supreme Court is saying that whoever submitted blank VEMA is tainted. Your Lordship is no, sir. But the prayer I have made, there is an order of the division bench in the Boishaki Bhattacharya that SSC has to publish all the VEMA sheets. I am praying that these VEMA sheets may be published. For the time being, I am only pressing this prayer that VEMA sheets may be published. This is my, otherwise, my lord.
It will be decided on a hearing, not at this stage. No scope for passing any increment.
VEMA sheets, since there is a, your lordship knows I am not burdening your
Right
lordship with the
up to
judgment.
Supreme Court, this issue,
My
this
lord,
controversy remains.
my lord, my lord.
Right up to Supreme Court, this controversy remains.
No, my lord. Publication of OMR sheet
OMR
has been
sheet,
affirmed.
if OMR sheet would have been published at right point of time, in that event, who are tainted and who are not tainted, that could have been
That's
assessed.
correct. My lord,
That
this is
could not be
no,
done.
this is one thing, my lord. I'm not on that.
The publication of all OMRs is not the solution to what the petitioner
Yes.
wants. How does the
Or let
petitioner make the prayer?
why can't I not pray that?
Ultimately, the Supreme Court came and Supreme Court judgment said that these OMRs cannot be relied upon.
My lord,
Because they were not our OMRs, they were received
my lord,
OMRs.
then I have to place it, your lordship. Absolutely not, my lord. With deepest of respect, no, my lord.
Supreme Court
Your
said
lordship has read these judgments. My lord, the Honorable High Court in the direction portion. No, my lord. In the
The OMR was not accepted. OMR, which if those OMRs were to be produced, in that event also that OMRs could not be accepted by the court.
both by the division bench as well by the Supreme Court, it was not accepted. But the Supreme
because the genuineness of those OMR sheets were questioned.
Yes.
So what is the use of
My lord, why I am telling you, Lord.
At this stage.
My lord,
At this stage.
at this my lord,
water has flown.
I am giving the I am giving my reply.
31st December 2020. So that
No, that is
petitioner
not
can work up to
much
31st
important, my
December
lord. Whether my lord, no, my lord, may I? Whether I can work till my lord, whether I can work till 31st December. Beside that, more important is whether I can participate in the ensuing recruitment process.
You are praying for a direction to be treated as untainted and to work up to 31st December.
And to then for that, no, for that, yes, for that, Weimar sheets need to be published. How are they stopping me or debarring me that I am a tainted candidate? Whether I have given a blank Weimar, that has to be established. For that, my lord, only I am not
within the domain in terms of the Supreme Court that
yes, my lord, I am
tainted and what
yes,
considered as untainted.
Yes, my lord. My lord, only for you, I will not burden. I am just reading kindly, my lord.
Yes. Show me the relevant part of the order.
Yes, my lord. First the division bench order I am showing. Thereafter the
Supreme Court.
Lord,
Supreme Court, by which Supreme Court directed that these candidates, untainted candidates, will work up to 31st December.
Yes, my lord.
Considering that is 17th April.
17th April order. It is at page, my lord, 180. 80, my lord.
That is on the application of the board.
On the application of the board. My lord, page 80.
On a miscellaneous application 709 of 2025.
Yes. My lord, page 80.
But in 17th April, this part is not
Yes,
very
yes, only it is saying that
page
those-
80.
page 80. My lord, same order. The order that your lordship, it is not specified. 17th April. Only said that those who have been found, not specifically found to be tainted.
But where is the direction that those untainted to work up to 31st of
My lord, that is 17th April, my lord. May I place it?
Yes, is placing. Page 80.
Yes, my lord. We are inclined, my lord, I am reading. We are inclined to accept the prayer made in the present application in so far as it relates to assistant teachers for classes 9 and 10 and classes 11 and 12 not found to be tainted subject to the following condition. My lord, an advertisement for fresh
Yes,
recruitment,
that is there
for
regarding the
the
fresh advertisement.
examination and the entire
1,
recruitment
2, 3, and
process
4.
shall be completed by so and so. Man, that is important. Shall be completed by 31/12/25. The state government, the applicant, West Bengal Board of Secondary and the West Central School Service Commission shall file their respective affidavit, including a copy of the advertisement for as well as schedule, therefore, so as to ensure complete of the recruitment process. In the case the aforementioned is not published, by Yato, we clarify this order shall not.
Last paragraph. Last paragraph. We are not inclined.
No, we are not inclined to accept the prayer found to be tainted. Especially found to be tainted in the said proving the respect of assembly not found to be tainted is that statement underlines that it would not suffer on account of lack of details and lapses and fairness which have resulted in the order passed by this court.
Where is the specific direction that they
There is no that till which date, because by
That is why I am asking.
it is
That is why I asking, because
My lord.
while deciding that issue, it also struck me.
my lord, why it is being like this, my lord,
That
because
was
by
not an issue.
31st December it has to be
Those
completed.
matters, I did not raise this point.
Yes.
Consciously.
That was not the issue
Also, I am
also.
asking all of you that where is such direction?
My lord, since the 31st December is the final date of completion of the recruitment process, new recruitment process.
Yes, Mr. Dasgupta, where is that indication that they had to work up to 31st?
This is not there.
Prayer made in this application.
That was the
So in the prayer, it was
that was in the prayer.
so it was your application. So what was the prayer?
The prayer was to allow the untainted candidates to participate for this academic year, at least this academic year.
Date was also not mentioned in the prayer.
No, only academic year was said.
Academic year means up to 31st of December. Subject to following consideration, prayer is allowed. Because I was also thinking while considering those matters, questioning 30th May 2025, recruitment notification, that where is such direction? Only prayer was allowed. In the prayer of the board, might be that prayer is the was that allow these petitioners due to scarcity of teachers in the schools.
No, ultimately,
that's why it is pointed out by the Honorable Supreme Court. It is observed that we are inclined to accept the prayer made in the present application in so implementation of this order.
At least I can want my OMR sheet, my lord.
That is not permissible.
At least I can
because
want
the
my
Honorable Supreme Court has did not say anything regarding publication
merged.
of OMR sheet.
Admitted, it has merged.
Only the Honorable Supreme Court has observed, that is from conclusion, paragraph 45 onwards.
Yes.
Now, what Honorable Supreme Court has said,
yes,
come to paragraph 45.
Yes, ma'am. 39 of the petition.
No, come to conclusion.
Oh.
The last question relates to the relief and whether it requires any modification.
Yes.
Come to page paragraph 45.
Yes, ma'am.
The last question relates to the relief and whether it requires any modification. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we find no valid ground or reason to interfere with the direction of the High Court that the services of tainted candidates where appointed must be terminated and they should be required to refund any salary payments received. Since the appointments were the result of fraud, this amounts to cheating. Therefore, we see no justification to alter this direction. So, therefore, Honorable Supreme Court has upheld this part of the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench only,
Yes.
whereby termination of service and with refund of salary was directed by the Honorable Division. Rest of the issue was considered by the Supreme Court, and directions were given from paragraph 46.
My lord, with only one thing, my lord, your lordship will...
That's why your contempt for violation of the order of the division bench failed.
My lord, only one thing, my lord, since your lordship will pass an affidavit, my lord, only one thing.
No, I will not pass. I will pass a final order.
My lord, then my lord, kindly allow me. And there were directions. What were the directions of the division?
And in this is a relevant consideration. Just a minute. Come to the order passed by the Honorable Division Bench in contempt.
My lord, your lordship.
This is order judgment dated 7th,
Yes.
7th May 2025.
Yes.
Now, if you come to paragraph 56, in view of such directions contained in the order dated 17th April 2025 by the Supreme Court, it would be safe to infer that Honorable Supreme Court is still in session of non-compliance of the directions, if there be any.
Yes.
Okay, to Dauto?
Yes, my lord. Yes. That is there, my lord.
So at this stage, that option is not available to me. Had it been other issue, court could have considered it. But in effect, Mr. Dasgupta, you are praying for implementation of the paragraph 363, Roman 3. That is not participation.
My lord, only one thing there, your lordship if your lordship may be kind enough to observe only one thing, that since this division...
Nothing is in my hand. So far this matter is concerned, no fresh observation is required. I cannot overstep in this matter. Everything is
dismissal will not...
and you know the nature of directions in 17th April directed the authorities to file an affidavit disclosing the steps taken.
That affidavit has also been disclosed before the division. That is a separate. Not only one thing, this dismissal will not preclude me from approaching the Supreme Court. That is the only. Your issue has been dismissed.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Next paragraph. Petitioner participated in first SLST, first state level selection test 2016 for classes 11 and 12 and got appointment and got selected and subsequently appointed. Stop. However, petitioner lost job in terms of the order, in terms of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 3rd April 2025. Passed in civil appeal arising out of special leave petition within bracket civil close bracket number 9586 of 2024 within bracket state of West Bengal versus Boishaki Bhattacharya Chatterjee and others. Stop. It is submitted. It is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that he that petitioner has been found to be tainted candidates, as a result whereof she has not been permitted to function as assistant teacher in higher secondary section till 31st December 2025, unlike untainted candidates. Stop. Petitioner prays for publication of
They are C, my lord.
OMR sheet.
My lord.
Publication of OMR sheet in connection with petitioner's participation in first SLST 2016 for classes 11 and 12. If publication of OMR sheets of all candidates is not possible. এই সেন্টেন্সটা একটু পিটিশনের প্রেস পত্র থেকে পড়ো তো।